Here are a few tips on organizing your patch. The patcher object can be used to contain a subpatch. Use patcher objects to break your patch down into logical subsections. To get messages in and out of the patcher object, you can use an inlet. Here's the matching inlet on the object. To create an inlet object, make a new object and type inlet. Inlets are automatically numbered. Here's the new inlet. You can also use outlets. Here's the outlet. Once again, a new outlet is created in a new object box named outlet, and the position of the outlet determines the outlet number. Notice how the outlets change on my subpatcher object. Another way of getting messages in and out of your subpatcher is using the send and receive objects. Here in the main patch, I can send any message sent into the named send object to subpatch is received at any matching receive object. Notice how the letter P is short for patcher. In this subpatcher, you can see we have an audio generating patch. Notice the send object with a tilde is used to send audio signals. Here's the matching receive object going to the output. One final feature of this patch is the use of the load bang object. Load bang sends a bang when the patch loads. This is really useful for setting presets.